Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Hema. Today we are going to see Science Assignment Set 2 Class 8 Part A. Choose the correct answer. First one, non-metal which conducts electric current. Answer is A option, carbon. Second one, pencil lead contain. Answer is A option, graphite. Then match the following. For first one, iron, answer is sewing needles, and copper making wires, tungsten making the filament of a bulb, boron fuel for ignition in rocket. So 2, 1, 4, 3. Then part B. First one, write 3 properties of metalloids. Answer is, metalloids are solids at room temperature. They can form alloys with other metals. The physical properties of metalloids tend to be metallic, but their chemical properties tend to be non-metallic. Then second one, mention the compound and their uses. First one, baking soda. Chemical name, sodium bicarbonate. Constituents, sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. Then uses, fire extinguisher, preparation of baking powder and preparation of cakes and bread. Preparation of baking powder and preparation of cakes and bread. Then B, washing soda. Chemical name, sodium carbonate. Constituents, sodium, carbon and oxygen. Uses as cleaning agent in soap and softening of hard water. Then assignment. First one, why wires cannot be drawn from materials such as stone or wood. Answer is, wires cannot be drawn from materials such as stone or wood is because these materials are non-conductors of electricity. Then second question, tabulate the difference between metals and non-metals. Answer is on page number 98. This tableau column. Property, physical state at room temperature, metal, usually solid, occasionally liquid. Non-metal, solid, liquid or gas. Malleability, good, poor, usually soft or brittle. Ductility, good, poor, usually soft or brittle. Melting point, usually high, usually low. Boiling point, usually high, usually low. Density, usually high, usually low. Conductivity, thermal and electrical, good, very poor. This tableau column is the answer for second question in page number 98. Then unit 7, plant kingdom. Choose the correct answer. First one, the plant body of fungus consists of filament-like structures called as, first option, hyphae, B, mycelium, C, algae, D, bryophytes. Answer is first option, A, hyphae. Then second one, antibiotic penicillin extracted from dash fungus. Answer is A option, Penicillium notatum. Then third one, the most common edible mushroom is, answer is Agaricus, A option, button mushroom. Then fourth one, which of the following fungi which produce enzyme to prepare alcohol? Answer is B option, yeast. Then fifth one, the reserve food material of fungi is R dash and dash. Answer is A option, glycogen and oil. And second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the multinucleate condition of fungi is, answer is synodcyte. Then second one, the cell wall of fungi is made up of dash, chitin. Third one, the Tika disease is in groundnut is extracted from dash fungi. Answer is Cerospora persnata. Then fifth one, dandruff in human beings caused by dash fungi. Then sixth one, queen of drugs penicillin is extracted penicillin notatum from dash fungi. Queen of drugs penicillin is extracted from dash fungi. Answer is Penicillium notatum. Then third activity, you should do it by your own. Then lesson plant kingdom part A. First one, fill in the blanks. First one, the word taxonomy is derived from dash. Answer is Greek. Second one, brown algae belongs to dash, laminaria. Third one, agar agar obtained from dash algae, red. Then match the following. First one, answers are 2, 1, 4, 3. Then part B, write any 3 economic importance of algae. Third Roman letter. Answer is food, agriculture, agar agar. Then assignment, first one, classified of algae based on pigments. Answer is in page number 193. This tabular column is the answer. Classification of algae based on pigments. This is on page number 193. Then second one, draw the diagram of algae with its classification basis. Answer is the same page number 193. These 4 diagrams. These 4 diagrams you should draw and mention the name. Oscillatoria, laminaria, Chilomodomus, Polysiphonia. Then worksheet, topic matter around us. First Roman letter, choose the best answer. First one, the liquid metal used in thermometer is, answer is B option, mercury. Then second one, dash is the smallest particle of an element. Answer is C option, atom. Then third one, symbol of mercury is dash. Answer is Hg, B option. Then fourth one, the non-metal which conducts electric current is A option, carbon. Then fifth one, the pictorial symbol for water given by the alchemist was, answer is D option. Then fill in the blanks. Sixth one, Dash are the building blocks of matter. Answer is atoms. 7th one, the symbol of tungsten is dash, W. 8th one, dash is used as semiconductor, silicon. Then match the following. 2, 4, 1, 3. Then Kalvi TV. Choose the correct answer. First one, what is force? Answer is C option, push and pull. Second one, force acts on an object may change. B option, shape. Third one, leaves on fruits or fruits fall on the ground due to dash. Answer is B option, gravitational force. Then fourth one, the pressure which is exerted by air around us is known as B option, atmospheric pressure. Then fifth one, force acting on per unit area is called dash. D option, pressure. Then sixth one, two boys A and B are applying force on a block. If the block moves towards the boy A, which one of the following statements is correct? Answer is A option. Magnitude of force applied by A is greater than that of B. Then answer very briefly. First one, define friction. Answer is frictional force or friction arises when two or more bodies in contact move or tend to move relative to each other. It acts always in the opposite direction of the moving body. This is the answer for first one. Second one, mention any three ways of minimizing friction. Answer is by using lubricants, with the help of polishing the surface, by using ball bearing. This is the answer for second one. Then activity part, you should do it by your own. That's all we have completed. Class 8 Science assignment answers for set 2. For more videos, you subscribe our channel. Thank you.